going to be making an all-natural goat's milk soap today. I like to do a 2-to-1 liquid to lye ratio. I do 1-to-1 with my actual lye and water, and then I put the goat's milk other portion into my oils. It works the best for me. There's different ways to do it, but that's what works best to me. So anyway, I'm going to be doing Woodland Zest, which is a nice citrusy scent. I do a mix of Valencia, sweet orange Valencia, fir needle, and clove and cedar wood. So it's a really, really nice blend. And I'm going to be adding in some coffee grounds for gentle exfoliation, and then I'm going to be adding in some turmeric for some pop of color. Now with the turmeric, it is going to be shockingly bright when you add it, and then it will fade down to a nice yellow once it is cured. And the thing with turmeric is when you add it, and if you add it to a point there's like, oh, that's a nice pretty yellow, it's going to be pale and nothing's going to show up by the cure. So it needs to be almost shocking, like, oh my gosh, I added too much. What I'm going to do is I'm going to add the coffee grounds and the fragrance, the essential oil blend to about 3/4 of the batch, and the other fourth of the batch I'm going to put in the turmeric with no fragrance in it, and then I'm going to do some swirls as well. I am going to pour off just a little bit because typically when I make soap, I do a 1.5-to-1 liquid to lye ratio. So I'm going to have some extra content above and beyond what my molds hold. So I'm going to pour that off to do a texture of some fragrance behind the scenes. So let's go ahead and get started.